Today I have come with an adventure video, Puligundu Twin Hills Trek near Tirupati, which one wanted to do for a long time. Puligundu, located near Penumur, 18 kilometers from Chittoor, is a twin rock at a height of 1000 feet above the ground level. It resembles a huge Shivalinga when seen from a distance. These rocks have a temple of Puli Gunteswara Swamy. It's another local name of the Lord Shiva. That is why it is called Puligundu Rocks, and there is an Ayyappa temple on top of the rock. Climbing to the top of this rock was impossible in the beginning, but later with the help of the tourism department, metal ladders were installed. But still it's not easy to reach at top. There are at least 3 to 4 such points which will test your courage. A small and thin bridge has been made connecting these two rocks at the top. We have included all the details in this video for those who want to come to Puligundu and explore this place. So try watching without skip, and if you like after watching, then support our channel. So let's get straight to the video. It's time 5:30 morning. We are about to start our trek. This is Haritha Hotel of Andhra Pradesh Tourism Department. Me and 5 friends reached here last night around 11 PM and took the room. It is about 200 kilometers from Bangalore and takes 4 hours to reach here. Here it is a decent stay facility with an affordable price range. You have to book through online. All the booking details I have shared in the description. You can see after watching the video. The hotel staff showed us the path and we started walking along the road. Although the hotel staff said that we can go by car to the starting point of the trek, from here it is only 350 meters, we decided to walk. After walking a short distance, reached the bottom of the rock. When we reached here, we realized that there is a straight road to the bottom of the rock. We came from the hotel via the backside. If you are coming here directly, this way you can choose this route marked in the Google map. Even though today is Sunday weekend, we did not see anyone else here. 2 bikes are parked and someone has gone up. From here the steps to climb up start. The way is clear and there is no need for confusion. The starting is very steep steps. There are handrails places, but be careful when you hold them. They are all rotten and shaken. At the beginning of the trek, generally we feel puffing and breathing issues, and then our body adjusts to it. After the initial climbing, here is an open place. The place looks like cut off the rock, and here it is small idols have been installed. The morning view from here, it's stunning. You can sit here for a while and enjoy nature and continue. I think we can come and stay here for the night if you wish, because it is a closed place, not even a tent required to stay, and don't have to worry about rain or mist. It's a nice open place. If you are coming as a group, then you can consider this. For solo traveler, I don't suggest this. And please keep in mind, this is a temple space, so you have to maintain its sanctity if you plan to stay here. We sat there for a while and took some photos and continued the climb. A little further along the edge of the mountain, handrails have been placed here for the precautions to keep from falling down, but it's not well fixed, so don't use too much force when holding on. We walked along this edge of the rock and reached the bottom of an iron ladder for places to climb up. So far we had climbed along the outside of the rock and through the edge, now we had to go up through the open path along the inside of the rock. This ladder doesn't look very old, it seems to be recently made, maybe it has been freshly painted, but anyway it is made very strong, you can climb it without fear. After the ladder, climb the stairs to the steps carved through the rock, in full darkness, with the help of the mobile flashlight we moved. This path has lots of bats, we can hear the sound, and the smell is unpleasant. If you go in alone, it's a little scary. There is some more iron ladder placed inside the path and then rock cut steps. It's not a very straight path, in many places you have to climb a 90-degree incline. Climb up and finally we can see natural light in the distance, and a nice breeze started blowing inside, it was too warm inside. Here is another way, a little risky way reaching till this point, you can see behind this ladder, so we are planning to, while coming down, we'll go this way, so I can show you the path that time. It seems that we have almost reached the top, this ladder to climb up. It is a way that a person who is not too fat can climb it, others cannot, they will be stuck here. We have to appreciate the works who made this path here. So we came through the rock and now almost reached the top. It was very thrilling, the rock was seen right next to them and there was a bridge to go to there. Anyway, we can climb this mountain first and then go there, climbing the second mountain is even more adventurous. Wow, the beautiful sunrise, it's almost 6 o'clock, the sun hasn't come out yet, and the views from here are nothing short of spectacular. There is a lotus pond here and above it is Ayyappa's temple. It is open here only on special days, otherwise it is closed. On top of this, I think we can tent stay here, it is a vast enough place. So in the evening you can climb up and watch sunset, then overnight stay here, then in the morning watch sunrise. It will be a nice experience, you can also consider this option. So far here no timing restrictions, anytime we can come here, but in the future I am not sure. In the center of the temple is a deep pit, covered with stone to prevent falling into it. It's very pleasant here, there is a cool wind blowing, if we sit here, we will definitely fall asleep. As I said earlier, if you are planning a night stay here, I am reminding again, this is a temple space, a place where faith is so sacred, so don't come here with anything that spoils that sanctity, please, it's my humble request. I have seen many places while coming up, people are throwing plastic bottles and covers, it's very bad. You guys who are watching this video, please don't do that. Carry back and dispose in the proper place. We sat here for a long while, watched the beautiful sunrise, recorded some good drone shots, I will show you that. The adventurers are not finished here, and we are going to climb Twin Mountain next. Just wait. So, this is the way to the twin rock that I mentioned. To get there, you have to climb the first rock. This way is on top of it. The bridge is made with good strength, so you can climb it without fear. But carefully keep your steps. There are gaps in some places, and then you just need to hold the handrails without giving too much force. The bridge is strong enough. We 6 of us stand together here. The bridge has good strength. This is a highlight of Puligundu trek. As I said, this is a highlight here, and there is no other way to climb to the next rock. It is safe, but be careful every step, sometimes a little careless to cause accidents. After crossing the bridge, now we have to climb up through this. This is one of the challenging tasks.
അവന് ഭ്രാന്ത്.
തിരിഞ്ഞിട്ട് കയറുക.
Somehow we came up with by crawling and rowing. The gap is just one person can go, and there is one tree in the middle of it. Crossing this we need some flexible body, otherwise cannot. Even I stuck there, but somehow I made it. Yes, we did climb the second rock too, and this climb was a great adventure, so guys definitely try this. The trekking distance is very less. We can reach the top in 30 minutes. The way to reach here is the highlight of this trek. Everyone must try it. It will be a cool adventure experience for you, that's sure. Everyone can climb, I mean the one who has an average body type. I saw someone said in videos this was a high risk attempt. But that's not correct. Everyone can do this if they have an adventurous mind. I can see our hotel room from where we stayed. That's the car and bike we came in. It's an average stay with a cheap rate. We'll show you the facility once I reach down. Now we have to go back this way, but we are not going down the way we came. We have to go down a little further and show you another way. Yes, this is the way. This way is a little less distance. It is like going down directly. For a short distance, there are rock cut steps made inside the rock. After that, there is a ladder between the two rocks. It's leading to the back of the rocks. From there we have to walk through the forest for a short distance. So friends, Puligundu trek trails are completed here. This way we went up, when this way came down. The trek is very simple, not at all difficult, you must try. Any queries regarding this please feel free to ask comment box. Once I reach the hotel, we'll show you the room. It is 700 rupees for a room for 2 sharing. Booking is done through their online site. As I said earlier, staying here is not necessary, you can come directly to the trekking spot and start trekking. These details are for those who prefer to stay. And if you are planning a sunrise trek, then one suggest you come here and stay night and start an early morning trek. The another benefit of taking room here, it is 23 hours booking, count from the time you took, that means if you are taking evening then you have time till today evening to check out. So after trekking you can come here and rest, take a bath and proceed. Anyhow, the choice is yours. Okay friends, Puligundu trek video is ending here, any doubts feel free to ask. If you like the video, please share it on friends circle and support the channel. We will come back with another interesting video, so please stay tuned, and thank you all for watching.